Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to make a bow 3D model in Blender 5.1. I'm going to show you all the step by step how to customize everything and make it become a 3D model. So I'm going to just start everything from beginning. Just create a fresh new Blender project, and the first thing what I need to do is just click the empty area and press A and just press delete to delete everything, delete the cube, delete the point lights. Next, add a mesh, add a UV sphere. This UV sphere, we just need to go to the edit mode. Make sure you select it already, then go to the edit mode. Click the preset viewpoint of X so that you view from the X. Then we are going to delete part of it. I click here viewport shading wireframe to make sure I view in wireframe. Now the select mode is vertex. I'm going to just delete half of the UV sphere, the top half of the UV sphere, all of the vertices. I'm going to just press delete button to delete all the vertices. Then it just left half of it. Then next, I'm going to delete the bottom part of the UV sphere. Delete all the vertices, just delete 2 rows here. Just press delete button and delete the vertices now. Then I can just switch the viewport shading from wireframe to viewport shading solid. Now I'm going to fix the bottom part. I'm going to just switch the select mode to edge. I'm going to select the edge of the bottom. Hold the control, select all of the edges here. Then I press E to extrude and press G to make sure it extrude along the Z axis. Now the shape is already there. The next is just select the bottom edge of the bow. Hold the control, select the whole round, the whole circle. Then right click, click fill a selected edge loop with faces. Now done, it already have the faces. Next, we can switch back to the object mode. Under the object mode, go to the modifier, just add a modifier, search for Solidify. Then the offset switch to 0. Even thickness, you can take it. Wait. Don't take the even thickness. The thickness you can switch from 0.01 to a larger value, 0.04. Then it will just look like a bow. Next, at the object mode, just right click it, click shape auto smooth. Now it become a very smooth bow. The whole bow is already become a 3D model. It already become a bow 3D model. Next, go to the viewport shading material preview. Then go to the material tab, add a new material. Then the roughness, you switch it from 0.5 to 0. Now you can see this 3D model, it become a shiny and reflective bow. It really look beautiful. Now it already become a bow, realistic bow. Alright. And next, go to the modifier, the Solidify Modifier that you created just now. You just go and click apply. It is going to apply on the whole 3D model. It already become a complete 3D mesh. Alright. Next, if you go to the edit mode, you can see the whole bow's 3D model already completed. It already become a really awesome 3D model. back to the object mode. It is a very beautiful shiny bowl. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a realistic bowl, ceramic bowl in Blender 5.1. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!